Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we're going to play with this garbage truck from Dickie Toys. It's quite nice size, and if we look at it, it's a proper green garbage truck. It can roll on wheels, and there's a sign that it collects recycle bins. The garbage truck has a door with a handle. If we try, no, I cannot open the door. There's another door as well, but I cannot open this one either. Let's look here. There are doors on this side as well. And there's a number for the garbage truck. There's a button. Let's press this one. Wow, if you press the button it starts blinking and it's making a noise. It's proper garbage truck. Let's look what it can do. Oh, look, I think the back door opens and inside will go the recycle bins. Because it's a real garbage truck. You can open and close this one. Now let's look how it collects the recycle bins. That's a little yellow recycle bin. It's a proper one. You can open and close it. Like open. And it looks like a proper recycle bin. Let's try. Now the garbage truck will come and collect this one. So it picks it up and then it goes like this. Whoop. And now it's empty, and now it goes down. Now once again up and down. Whoa. That's a real garbage truck, isn't it? Bye-bye, garbage truck. Now it's going to go to get the next bin, like this. Come on. Bye-bye, garbage truck. See you next time, garbage truck. I think it's a great toy. It's another great toy from Dickie Toys. Do you like it? If you do, subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye, garbage truck. Bye-bye, garbage truck.